Students, for class 9, this is the continuation video of lines and angles part 2. First, we are going to discuss angle. What is an angle? How is an angle formed? An angle is union of two non-collinear rays with common initial point. Non-collinear, that is, the lines should not be non-collinear. They are neither non-collinear nor coincident lines. That is, when two rays originate from the same end point, the rays making an angle are called the arm of the angle. These rays which makes the angle, these are called the arms of the angle, and the end point is called the vertex of the angle. Therefore, for this angle, these two lines, these two rays are non-collinear rays. They have common initial point, that is, originates from the same point. This point is called the vertex and the rays are called the arms. Now, kinds of angles. First, acute angle. What is an acute angle? An acute angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. That is, acute angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. 10 degree acute angle. Okay, 89 degree acute angle, 15 degree acute angle, because the angles which are greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree called acute angle. Here I have drawn three figures. This is 70 degree, less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree, hence acute angle. This angle is 60 degree, more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, therefore acute angle. This angle is 30 degree, more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, therefore acute angle. Now, right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. Here I see OA and OB are two rays perpendicular to one another. Hence, this angle is 90 degree. There is angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. That is, obtuse angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. That is the obtuse angle. There is, here in the figure I have drawn, there is, this angle is 120 degree, which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, therefore obtuse angle. This angle is 105 degree, which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, therefore this is obtuse angle. This angle is 150 degree, which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, therefore this is also obtuse angle. Next, a straight angle. What is the straight angle? An angle whose measurement is 180 degree is called a straight angle. There is angle AOB, this is 180 degree. There is angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Remember, in angle 180 degree, the two arms OB and OA are in opposite direction and they form a straight line. That is why this is called a straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measurement is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. There is the span of reflex angle is more than 180 but less. So this angle AOB, this angle is 290 degree. Now 290 is more than 180 but less than 360. Therefore this is reflex angle. Similarly, angle PQR, which measures 230 degree. There is this angle is 230 degree, which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Therefore this is reflex angle. Next, adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles if, number one, they have common vertex, O is the common vertex, and they have a common arm, OB is the common arm, and other two arms, OA and OC, are on the opposite sides of the common arm. Here in the figure, common vertex is O for both the angles. Common vertex is O. Common arm is OB. And other two arms, that is OA and OC, are opposite to OB. This is to this side and OC is to this side. Such that angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to angle AOC. These two angles, that is angle AOB and angle BOC, these two angles are called adjacent angles. Next, vertically opposite angles, very important. Vertically opposite angles. When two straight lines, we see AB and CD, intersect each other, each pair of opposite angles formed is called vertically opposite angles. There is angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal. There is angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, as they are vertically opposite angles. Now complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if sum of their measures is equal to 90 degree. That is, if X and Y are two angles such that angle X plus angle Y is equal to 90 degree, then angle X and angle Y are complementary angles. Similarly, supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Then angle X and angle Y are supplementary angles. Next, linear pair of angles. If the non-common arms, that is, these are non-common arms, this is the common arms. If the non-common arms of adjacent angles form a straight line, then the adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair. That is, angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. That is, since the sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, there is a straight angle. That is why these pairs are called linear pair of angles. Now angles around a point. Angles formed when many lines meet at the same point. The same point means common point, or start from the same point. Sum of the angles around a point is always 360 degree. Here we see that O is the common point, and from O, OA, OB, OC, OD, all the rays, they originates. They originate and they form the angle successively AOB, BOC, COD, DOA, like this. Then all these angles are formed around this point O. That is why this is called angles around a point. And sum of all the angles, there is angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA is equal to 360 degree. It is always. Now intersecting and non-intersecting lines. What does it mean? We can draw two lines in two different ways. Firstly, when these two lines intersect each other at a point. That is, here we see AB and CD. These two lines intersect each other at the point O. Therefore, these two lines are called intersecting lines. They have a common point O. Secondly, when two lines are drawn in such a way that they never intersect on producing either side, they never intersect. Such lines are called parallel lines. And parallel lines are always equidistant. Parallel lines are always equidistant. That is, AB and CD. The distance between AB and CD is always constant. So this figure shows intersecting lines and this figure shows parallel lines. So students, you watch the video many times, make notes and try to understand the explanation given in the video. Then you will try to solve the worksheet. Okay.